Helena Public School leaders say that they're looking at metrics-based models to help them make decisions on school operations during the COVID-19 pandemic. MTN's Jonathan Ambarian reports on what data they'll be looking at.
Helena Public Schools Superintendent Tyler Ream says before leaders make any decision on phasing up or phasing down, they want to make sure they have objective information to base those decisions on.
We want the what and the how to drive the when as opposed to the when driving the what and the how.
Ream discussed introducing metrics-based protocols Tuesday during a school board meeting. He says they looked at about 15 state and national plans to determine what data they should consider when deciding what phase schools should be in. Their primary indicator would be the rate of positive COVID-19 cases in Lewis and Clark County per 100,000 population. If case rates are in a lower range for 3 consecutive weeks, leaders would consider moving to a less restrictive phase. If they are higher for 3 weeks, leaders could return to tighter restrictions. COVID numbers have been better in Lewis and Clark County in recent weeks, but Ream says they'll also take the situation outside the county into account.
While things look really good in Lewis and Clark County, we're not a bubble. So what's happening around us as a county certainly has the opportunity to impact us here locally.
Ream says public health officials have been supportive of this plan. He says the district isn't expecting to start looking at shifting phases in the next 2 weeks. They're working on what it would take to switch phases if the numbers justify it.
We really want to be cognizant of all of the logistics associated with that, from staffing needs to transportation needs to food service needs and anything else that we need to be cognizant of so that we can plan for that to be as smooth as possible.
Ream says the district plans to finalize metrics-based protocols in the coming weeks. In Helena, Jonathan Ambarian, MTN News.
The Helena School District has not yet reported any confirmed COVID-19 cases among students or staff this school year. According to state data, the East Helena School District has had 2 students test positive.